to my channel. It's your girl Zelia. Today I'm taking you all with me to clamming. So we are gonna get some razor clams, and before getting clamming, don't forget you guys, I got a license before coming here. So we are in the west coast here clamming for the razor clams. This is my first time experience and is 6 a.m. in the morning. There's this beautiful moon and a bunch of people getting ready to clam. They're digging in the beach and I'll show you guys the experience are coming. So excited, and I can't wait to dig my first clam and show you guys what it looks like. Keep you guys updated. Bye! Go, 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 go! You can do this! Nope. Try it again. Oh my god. Oh, we got it, we got it, we got it! Ah! Wow!
Where's the clam? Get away from me.
There's none there. Ah, I can't believe we're getting this. Wow. Nope.
Oh, got one. Do we have to count how many we got? You gotta go faster.
Well, I don't do anything. What?
Gotta go faster.
One.
Is it always vertical? Upward? So you want to go on a little bit of it?
Thank you for tuning in, guys. If you like this type of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Cleaning the razor clams now. Day here in another beach getting more razor clams. I forgot to mention that each person can only get 20 razor clams total. So today we went to, I think, Ocean City, so this is like a different beach from yesterday. This location is so big. It's like so close to the ocean, and then there's nothing. It's like totally plain, and we are lucky today to come here later because the tide is coming up only at 7:45, so we still have some time. Yesterday we got 120 and today we're gonna get another 120. It's good to know that every day they switches the beaches, so today is more on the north side. Super excited to get more and look at this mesmerizing place. Damn, look at this.